Well, what's going on, fellas? It's been a minute. I said I was only going to work on my car from here on out, but man, your son always takes precedence. So let me flip y'all around. I'll show you what I got. So here it is. Here it is, fellas. It is an 86 model TRX70. This is as I got it. A frame, nothing real special. They've doctored up some wheels to just make it fit. Because if you don't know, they're 4-lug in the front. I think it's 4x110, and then the 3x100, the normal ATC like 70, 3-lug in the back. But as you can see, I don't have anything. I mean, I have a frame, and that's about it, man. I'm gonna tear it apart. I want to get the frame going, get it painted up, and then we'll go from there. You know, I'm wanting to match his other one, which it's apart right now, cleaning the tank and the carburetor, but I'm gonna be able to match and set to the other one. And this is the one that started my channel with, basically. So here it is, all cleaned up, and ooh, bad to the bone 400 there. But anyways, like I said, come back over here where we're gonna get on this one, get it fixed up, and man, I don't know where I'm gonna come up with this money, but I'll come up with some, and we'll get it figured out, you know. I'd rather spend the money on something cool that nobody else is gonna have that I made than spend the money and go buy something new. So it's probably what I'm gonna do. Like I said, this is gonna be a long process. The last time I rebuilt one, I had done a bunch prior. This one will kind of be as I go. Well, here we are. I'm kind of taking this video for my own reference, where all these lines run. Back brakes. All the wiring here. Huh. Cool. That looks like that was a rig at one time. Getting down to the fun stuff. We got this hub, boy, she's free as can be. Get over here to this side. Locked up, dude. I have to do some serious work on all this. Notice here the tie rod's bent. Boy. Little boy that used to ride this thing was hard on it. This thing is a basket case, man. Let me tell you. Well, here we are. Got her completely stripped, sorry. Man, kind of a pain in the butt. This thing is beat though, man. Let me show y'all. Man, when I say this thing was rolled hard and put up wet, I'm not kidding. I found this frame rail's bent, as you can see it. You can't see it, but on the bottom they hit something and it, like, man, it got it pretty good. But anyways, I got it completely stripped apart, and now we get to start the fun stuff, man. Get it cleaned up. We're gonna do the frame red. We're gonna do it just like this one over here. Have a matching set. We'll catch y'all next time.